So 5 part C, the pie chart shows information about the colours of the cars in the car park one day. We've got silver, black, blue, red, white and other. We're not showing the angles on the pie charts. The first thing we need to do is to actually measure the angles on the pie chart. So with our protractor, I'm going to position our protractor at the centre of the pie chart. So right in the centre, and we position the naught on the very first line. We're going to imagine it's like a north line. From there we're going to start at naught and we're going to stay on the outside scale. So all the way around to silver there are 120 degrees on the outside scale. So we're going to spin our protractor round to that line, now to the silver line. So I'm going to move too far, so silver is there. So we've got 120 degrees for silver. We can see for black it's 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees for black. So I'm going to then spin that round to the black line. So 40 degrees for black. I've now got blue is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is blue. So I'm going to spin that round to start on the red one. I'm going to mark the 60 for blue. And then for red, we've got 10, 20, 30. If I'm going to do this accurately, I need to come back to do the red because I can't tell that accurately. So for white, I've got 80 degrees for white. Now I'm going to see if we can answer the questions without having to measure for red and for other. So let's go back and see now if we can answer the questions. So there are twice as many something cars as black cars. Well, black cars is 40 degrees, so twice 40 degrees is 80 degrees. So which colour is 80 degrees? That's white. So there are twice as many white cars as black cars. 1/3 of the cars are, well, if the whole thing is 360 degrees, if I divide that by 3 on my calculator will give me 120 degrees, so 1/3 of the cars are silver. Okay, so I've been able to answer the questions without having to go back and measure the angles for red and other. So 5 part D says, are there any purple cars in the car park on that day? Tick a box, and it also wants us to give a reason for the answer. Now, we can't say there are definitely any purple cars because purple isn't stated by colour, but we can also not say that there aren't any purple cars because there could be some in the other. So we can actually tick cannot tell, and our reason for our answer is there could be. So there could be a purple car in the other section. So we've ticked cannot tell and said there could be a purple car in the other section.